If you're seeing the MSVCR120 missing error in DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. This is usually a Visual C++ redistributable problem, and in today's video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This tutorial is perfect if DaVinci Resolve 20 won't open, crashes on startup, or shows a missing DLL message. We're going to install the correct Microsoft component, and if that doesn't do it, we'll also repair the existing installation so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and search for the official Microsoft Download Center. This is important because you always want to download system files from Microsoft directly, not from random third-party websites. Once you're on the Microsoft page, look for the download page titled Visual C++ Redistributable Packages for Visual Studio 2013. This is the version associated with the MSVCR120 file, so installing the correct package is the key to fixing the error. On the Microsoft page, click the Download button. You'll usually see a list of available files, and from that list, select vcredistx64.exe. Since DaVinci Resolve 20 is a 64-bit application, the x64 version is the one you want to install. After selecting the file, click Next or Download if prompted, and let the file save to your computer. Once the download is complete, find the exe file and run it. Windows may ask for permission, so click Yes if the user account control prompt appears. Then follow the installation prompts on screen and complete the setup. This process adds the missing runtime files that DaVinci Resolve needs in order to launch properly. When the installation finishes, restart your computer. This step is important because Windows needs to register the new DLL file and apply the changes fully before the program can use it. After your computer starts back up, try opening DaVinci Resolve again. In many cases, that alone will fix the error right away. If the issue is still there, don't panic. There's one more thing we can try. This next method is to repair the existing Visual C++ installation. To do that, click the Start button and type Control Panel, then press Enter to open it. Once Control Panel is open, go to Programs and then click Programs and Features. This will show you a full list of the software installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 Redistributable x64. When you locate it, right-click the entry and choose Change. A setup window should appear with maintenance options. From there, click the Repair button and allow Windows to check and fix any broken or missing system files. This may take a minute or two, so let the process finish without interrupting it. When the repair is complete, close everything and relaunch DaVinci Resolve 20. In most cases, one of these two methods will solve the MSVCR120 missing error and get the software working again. If it still doesn't open after this, you may need to install the Visual C++ package again or check whether other required runtimes are missing. But for most users, the correct redistributable install or repair will do the trick. If this tutorial helps you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.